Are you guys helping? Are you the helpers today?
I'm out of breath. Time to get this hole filled back in. Warm. Well, it's too windy to film the rest of this. So, I guess still got a lot of ways to go. And like that, the hole is filled. Alright, now that I got the pipes all fixed for the septic, it's time to get this cistern dug out into that hill. So we're gonna move the wall back about 4 feet or so, get more room for the cement truck for the foundation. We're also gonna have him cut out a nice big section to put in a root cellar. Figure while he's digging, might as well dig that out. Our plans are to take earth bags and fill them with dirt and concrete, so they kind of just harden as like a rock. And then thinking about kind of like using concrete in the outside, spacking it, kind of like a adobe instead of adobe. Cover it with cement. I don't know, we're still kind of contemplating that, and still contemplating exactly how to do the roof for the root cellar. grab it. Want me to grab the end? Doesn't matter, dirt will get in there anyways. I'll take my shoes off. So this is the insert piece that goes in the inside. I think I'm gonna drill from the inside out. I think that's the best way, and I gotta put this in from in here anyways. So I'm gonna go in there and drill a hole out. I'm gonna go 4 to 5 inches up from the bottom so any sediment can sit and settle. Here we go. You ready?
Yes.
Tons of plastic in here now. Tons of plastic in here now. I should have went from the outside. Live and learn. I'm gonna try to get this plastic out of here. Clean this hole up.
Zeus, are you the inspector? Does it all check out?
I did it. Okay. Probably should have paid more attention when I took this off. It's only fit one way. The alignment. Alright, now I should never have to climb in a tank again like that. Now to hook up the other end. Okay, oops. No, did I wrap it wrong?
Yeah. But it works.
Hopefully. No, it should. That little end there is driving me nuts. And they don't give you a lot of room to work in here. I guess I gotta do it like this. Can I do it? Just barely.
And I just learned, what are those tools called? That tool there?
Oh, that is moving a little bit. Hold on. That moved. This?
Yes.
Not just a wrench. it is, and now I can't think of the freaking name.
It's the channel lock.
Channel lock, yeah. Yeah.
I just called it the big.
But it's not just the
big
wrench,
grabby
it's
wrench.
the channel lock. That is moving, that's making me nervous. I mean, that's tight. This still needs to be, I moved it to a little bit tighter, I think. And just,
It's turning it. There you go.
Oop. All right, that's tight. I think we're good.
We're gonna find out. I mean,
this is all rubber. This is rubber backed behind here. That's super tight. This is definitely tight and not going anymore. Now just hook the hose on the end. To do that, you need a special tool because we weren't doing shark bites. Could do shark bite fittings, but I'm doing all the plumbing, so this tool will help us do all the plumbing.
we're gonna save some money
Yeah.
just by buying the tool and doing it.
It was expensive. It was what, 130 bucks or something?
Something like that.
So, I have room to do this too. Jesus, this is so close. This is tight. Make sure it's on there. She's on there. It didn't even, I mean, yeah. Everything seems to be good. I hope. Next time on Life Reconstructed. Got a lot going on today.